18 says, in the xy plane, if 0, 0, the origin, is the solution to the system of inequalities above, which of the following relationships between A and B must be true? Has to be true. Okay. 0, 0 is a solution, so you can plug in 0 for x and 0 for y. Let's do that. 0 less than, negative 0 is 0 plus A, and here we have 0 greater than 0 plus B. This simplifies to 0 less than A, and this simplifies to 0 greater than B. What does this tell us? Well, this tells us that A is a positive number and B is a negative number. In fact, we could write it down in this way. 0 in the middle. B is less than 0, so B is here. A is greater than 0, so A is here. So you see, A must always be greater than B because A is some positive number and B is some negative number. And any positive is greater than any negative. So A is always larger than B, greater than B. So the answer is option A. You can see why B is wrong. It says that B is greater than A, which is not true. What about this? A is the negative of B. It doesn't have to be. I mean, if B is negative 3 and A is 3, then yes, it could be. But what if A is something else, like 5? Then it won't be the negative of B. A doesn't have to be the negative of B. It could be, but we're looking for something that is guaranteed to be true, and this is not guaranteed to be true. And then this option C says that the absolute value of A greater than the absolute value of B. Not necessarily true. B could have a greater absolute value. B could be negative 10, and A could be 2, in which case B would have a greater absolute value. So it's not necessarily true. The C doesn't have to be true. It might be true, it might not be true. But this is guaranteed to be true, so this is our answer, and the keyword is must be true.